Is your Mercedes Sprinter alarm constantly blaring? The most common culprits are faulty door contacts, the bonnet hood switch, and battery issues. First, check your door contacts. These are small switches in the door jambs that tell the van if a door is properly closed. Corrosion, especially in coastal areas or simple dirt buildup, can cause them to malfunction. Clean them thoroughly with WD-40 and apply dielectric grease. Next, inspect the bonnet switch under the hood. Ensure it's properly aligned and not stuck. A misaligned or faulty switch can trigger false alarms. Finally, check your battery's voltage. A weak battery, below 12.6 volts when off, or parasitic drain from aftermarket electronics like stereos can lead to erratic alarm behavior. Use a multimeter to test the battery and look for anything draining power when the van is off. For corroded door contacts, clean with WD-40 to remove corrosion. Ensure the contact moves freely. If it's severely damaged, replacement is better. For a misaligned bonnet switch, adjust its position until it's firmly pressed when the hood is closed. Parts are inexpensive, around $50. If the battery is the issue, disconnect any aftermarket accessories to eliminate parasitic drain. Upgrade to a high-quality AGM battery for stable voltage, or lithium-ion to further reduce false alarms. After addressing the issue, reset the alarm using your key fob or consult your Sprinter's manual for specific instructions. If problems persist, use advanced tools like Mercedes' Digital Service Assistant app or Zentry diagnostic software to pinpoint more complex issues.